I'm crazy.
Don't fall.
Jump and don't fall and I'll get hurt.
Yeah, tell them not to.
There's a car coming, hold on.
Alright, they're attempting to be on a skateboard and be pulled behind a truck and they're gonna fall on their ass. It's gonna be hilarious.
And I quote, third time ever on a skateboard for me.
Third time,
Okay,
yep.
slowly,
First
go.
time I was like 12. I adjusted my ass, that was it.
Sorry, my ass crack is out.
If anybody dies, I was not driving.
Okay, Jordan
Fuck you,
was.
I got it etched into my eyes.
Sorry,
Hayden did it.
trying to.
It's okay.
Who's it sound like? Fast, faster!
But not Jeffrey.
Definitely fast.
Look how scared he is. Charlie
We're going to fish till it's like a...
terrified right now. Oh my god.
Look at that face! Jake failed. That was metal, Charles. Hey.
Tom, get back on.
Hold on, Hayden, hold on.
Where'd Jake go?